And while I know a lot of women who would love to chase down Ranbir, the rock star, especially with his reported 15 crore pay packet, but I never chase what all the other girls are chasing, which is why I spend my day chasing Shah Rukh Khan around the streets of Mumbai. And while catching the Don may be impossible, turns out catching up with Shah Rukh Khan, while tough, was still in the realm of possibility.
Beverly, jo bhi, anyone who comes and sits next to me and is of the female gender becomes my mall.
I thought I was special. You're making me feel very under-special now.
No. I have Roma and I have you now. So you
Roma
are both my...
your mall, please.
Arey yaar, कहने में क्या जाता है, reputation.
जाता है. Roma's not
It
your
just
mall.
feels cool to have.
Priyanka is getting rather insulted here.
Yes, of course. Roma's not
Okay.
You don't know how to handle women.
We're all going to fight over it.
You're really bad.
I really messed this up.
really
I'm
did.
sorry, both of you. तुझे देखा तो ये जान.
Yeah, you can't get away with it every time by doing that.
रोमा मेरी जंगली बिल्ली कब तक मेरा पीछा करती रहोगी?
You're looking fantastic. The chemistry is sizzling between the two of you. What more can we look forward to in the sequel?
I think lots of action. We get to beat up people. Lots of cars are exploding, and basically, I think Don's character in this film for me is. In the middle of all of that, there's an interesting story.
Farhan just had to have his piece in there. And while you can always chase Don but never catch him, well, at least we have a character sketch to help us get started on our search.
Don को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
You've become more powerful in this one, or is there a transition from bad to good? What kind of transformation are we going to be seeing?
First, I'd like to describe it as I've been describing since morning. He's leaner,
Okay.
meaner, sexier and dirtier.
But that's you in real life.
So as they always say, for the last 20 years, I keep playing myself over. Don, मेरे खिलाफ लगे सारे charges वापस ले लीजिए.
And while Shah Rukh may be happy with his on-screen transformation, he makes it clear he's not enjoying the whispers about his transformation off-screen.
तुम्हारी तलाश तो दुनिया के हर पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को है. किस-किस से बात करूंगा?
आज ये सुनकर मेरी माँ कितनी खुश होती.
अपने हाथों से ही तुम्हें गोली मार देती.
Mr. Malik, आप मेरी माँ को नहीं जानते.
A lot of people are saying that you've changed in the last couple of months. You're seeing a different or more mellow Shah Rukh. Do you believe that that's true in real life? Do you feel that you've changed in any way?
Actually, a lot of people for years have been saying that I've mellowed and I'm nicer now. That's not true. During the releases of my film, I'm completely self-centered, arrogant, and think no end of myself kind of person most of the time. But I'm actually very humble and normal. I just say things which people don't understand in terms of my sense of humor. But to be really honest,
so all the talk of olive branches being extended and stuff like that is not part
nonsense.
of the whole thing.
Absolutely nonsense. I as a matter of fact, I don't like being rude to my malls. But I tell you, I find it so silly. You say something nice about someone because it is meant to be, and people say olive branch, olive tree, and nonsense. There is nothing like this.
Looks like we're in danger of upsetting the Don, and when that realization dawns, it's time to say goodbye. In Mumbai, Beverly White for NDTV.